Zoom, discoteca. Zoom, discoteca.
You have been extremely upset with the media of late.
Not all the media, actually. A certain Bombay Times article that was carried a few days ago by your journalist Meena Iyer. She misconstrued some facts. You know, I was extremely upset with the way certain facts were portrayed. I mean, I think the article that said that I belong to the 90s era with Aishwarya and Kajol and Shilpa and Preeti and Rani, and when I actually made my debut in the year 2000 with Reena and everything. So I was really upset that no one had checked their facts before actually allowing such an article to go through.
What was it that was so offensive? What offended you?
Well, I thought that, see, everyone has a right to certain opinions. I was upset about quite a few things about the interview. A, she put down artists that I really respect, who I've grown up watching films with, who made their debuts when I was in university in America. Someone like a Shilpa Shetty or a Rani or a Preeti. They're people whose films I watched while I was still a student. Or a Madhuri, a Kajol, who are powerhouse performers, or an act. You know, so A, I thought that offending and putting, you know, just like a stab on these people and saying that's it, it's finished, it's back up time for them, people who've given our industry so much, given us memorable films, given us great performances, and are still doing A-grade cinema with some of the biggest stars, and they've got some of the biggest films too. First of all, push them aside, I thought was very unfair. Secondly, I was really upset that she didn't get the debut year of mine correct. She said that I debuted in the 90s when actually I made my debut in the first part of 2000. So, you know, you automatically, you know, give the feeling to people that you belong to a generation which you've admired, but yet you're not part of that generation, you're part of a newer generation. I mean, I haven't even been around for a decade. My first release was 2000. January with Kaho Na Pyar Hai, and everyone knows that because there was the whole controversy that, you know, I replaced Katrina and Kareena had got refugee and, you know, whatever. So, and we all know that the breed of actors that she spoke about in that article, where there was a Naseem who's made her debut in 2001, or a Katrina who's made her debut in 2002 with Boom, you know, they're all the same year as me and the same generation of actors. And it's really sad that you elevate one generation so much and put a really worthy and well-achieved generation down, because you cannot forget the great work that these actors have done and are still doing. I mean, some of them have got nicer and so-called bigger projects than even actors of our generation. So I felt that was really the fact of not looking into which girl, which guys doing what films, with which heroes. They were just not completely, you know, researched. And the years of the people's debuts were not researched, and I think that's really careless and damaging to people.
Don't you think that the article